Hi, this is Lisa. We have...
Thank you for calling into the reward department. May I have your first and last name?
It's Aziz Jones, but I was calling about the wife. You there?
Yes, yes sir, you said?
I said I was calling. It was for my wife.
Yes. You will be receiving a $100 shopping reward. And you can use it at Walmart, Best Buy, Target, Home Depot.
Okay, I want to do the Walmart.
Okay, we will mail it to you and you'll receive it on the next 5 business days. All you need to do is pay the shipping, which is $2.95.
How much?
$2.95.
Okay.
So what is your mailing address?
Well, was it with the one that my wife had for the contest, or was it for the rewards? Because she stayed with her mom
You
sometimes.
pay now with a Visa, MasterCard, or debit card.
I'm gonna go get her card. Hold on a minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I gotta try not to wake her up. I'm kind of mad at her.
What is the mailing address?
It's 503 5th Street.
You said 53?
503
Uh-huh.
5th Street.
What is the city and state?
It's Glen Burnie, Maryland.
Zip code?
21061.
So whenever you're ready, you can provide me with the card number.
Okay, I gotta get it because she's sleeping. Hold on a minute.
Okay.
All right, first, let me ask you your opinion because you sound like a man that knows what's going on. Let me get your opinion.
Okay.
I just found out good news and bad news.
Uh-huh.
She's pregnant.
You just got your wife. You said she's pregnant?
Well, she's pregnant, but But it's not for me.
Okay.
And the thing that was so crazy, she ain't got no legs.
And it's not for you.
I didn't know you could get pregnant if you ain't got no legs. And she told me who did it too.
So she can't walk?
Oh, she can't walk. She ain't got no legs.
Well, you need to see your doctor. Your doctor can help you out with that. Since she can't walk, so maybe somebody, I don't know, but
I mean, what can I do?
how did you find she's not getting pregnant for you?
Well, I was suspicious because I saw two lines of dirt in the hallway, and they was from a wheelchair. And I thought it was her wheelchair, but I checked it and it didn't line up because she has extra wide wheelchair. 'Cause she's a large woman.
Okay.
And my neighbor is this 80-year-old man in a wheelchair. And I put 2 and 2 together and realized it was him that got her pregnant.
Well, you need to see your doctor. All right. So whenever you're ready, you can provide me with the card number. I will pass it to a supervisor to give you the confirmation number.
All right, thank you.